Hello students, today I am going to elaborate the chapter 25 Fairs and Festivals. Read the descriptions and write the names of fairs and festival. Take help from the clue box. Number 1. Which celebration does King Momo lead? According to local tradition, during Carnival, Goa is taken over by King Momo, usually a local resident who presides over the festival. Goan streets light up with marching bands, group dances, and people dressed in colorful costumes. And that is called annual Goa Carnival. The answer is annual Goan Carnival. Number 2. Which fair showcasing handlooms and handicraft is held every year in Haryana? Surajkund district Faridabad is known for its annual fair. The Mela is unique as it showcases the richness and diversity of handicrafts, handloom, and cultural fabric of India. The answer is which fair is there? Surajkund Fair. The fair is called Surajkund Fair. Number 3. Which is the largest religious fair held in Haridwar, Allahabad, Nasik, and Ujjain every 3 years? Which fair is held in Haridwar, Allahabad, Nasik? So answer is Kumbh Mela. Number 4. This festival is held at the Dargah of the Sufi Sant Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti. People of all faiths come here, for it is said that the wishes of people who pray here are surely answered. Special prayers are offered and qawwalis are sung during the festival. The answer is Ajmer Sharif Dargah. The answer is Ajmer Sharif Dargah is there. Next is number 5. This famous festival is held in Puri, Odisha. Lakhs of pilgrims gather to pull the idols of Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra, which are placed on 3 huge chariots. The English word Jagannath comes from this event. So answer is Rath Yatra. The answer is Rath Yatra. Next is number 6. This town in Rajasthan, meaning flower in Hindi, is famous for its annual cattle fair. During the latter half of the festival period, devotees take dips in the holy Sarovar lake. That is also the temple of Brahmaji, Lord Brahma. The answer is Pushkar fair. Only single temple is there in India that is related to Lord Brahma, that is Pushkar. And Pushkar fair, the people dips in the holy Sarovar. Number 7. The 8-day fair is held every year during the month of January-February. It is the second largest cattle fair in India. Which is the large cattle fair? That is in Nagaur fair. That is Nagaur fair. Number 8. This festival of the northernmost state of India is held every year from the 1st to the 15th of September. There are sports competitions like polo and archery, dances, songs, social events, and craft exhibition. Which that was fair is there? That is the Ladakh fair. That is called the Ladakh festival or fair. Thank you.